atamuna yaret mezda boy pukora parani kanade balasa konyede somero latede wa primary school otomano temlo tisan nyezde ronge Esisianakinak kai mwalimune Akuriakata Abongor otupitete eruro loda pacha bweje kinotomano somero derasa tumna kanyano lapa loi kanyet ludo mite berasi kokola kalu ibaren kezda pote ngata somero lo osodeta yare mwalime diopetem kai kangasa tupito na polone somero mwalimu lu nyezda kwa netingita kuriao ebati chepako bongo twaro kokolu.
The turn up of the children is still very low following the incident that happened here, the killing of teachers. As per the attendance of today, we have 10 boys and 2 girls. On the side of the teachers, today we have 2 teachers who are present, and I called the rest of the teachers. They told me they are still scared of the situation. They are still traumatized about what happened. There are some of the questions that they need to be clarified. What is their safety here?
At the very day, we decided to deploy the forces to that school. One member was there in a school together with the security to keep that place safe.
But as a department, particularly, we are planning to have a meeting with the teachers of Atedewe Primary School, just to give counseling to them and encouraging them really to say that okay, the incident happened and we are not hopefully praying for another of similar kind to happen.
Ida polone somero nyezda bwele pe ebe jula kinai alabira inuda idirisa notomano togo iluda imwalimun nara ingunu kezda potum ikokola ko bwangata tetere pedoreta inom imwalimu otomano togo ke.
And the accommodation where the incident happened, it is a glass house. So they still have that fear for them to enter again in such a house. They are trying to bring a recommendation that if that house, that glass can be replaced into a metallic or any other design, it will give them confidence to stay around.
Konyedolo ayora kezde baka sebe adautu kese aigwai kina joren tomano someroi ngono luda ichebo kintos ikokolo kai tichan.
I want to assure all the teachers in Moroto district. The incident that happened in Atedewe, it was a planned one. It was not for every teacher in that school. It was for a particular teacher in that Atedewe. So the message now to all the teachers: 1, even the issue of security.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Moroto.